Hello everyone, my name is Aiman Maulana from Unported.net, and today I'm going to talk to you guys about tablet. Now specifically, what I have today is the Samsung Galaxy Tab S10 Plus, which we did review recently. Now the thing about tablets, at least for me, especially Android tablets, is that it cannot really do anything that your smartphone can. It just does everything that your smartphone can do, but on a bigger screen. Now, unless you're someone who's like outside a lot, or maybe you have kids you just want to use it to entertain them, highly likely you're gonna be not spending too much time on the tablet and it's gonna collect dust at some point. So for me, I always wanted to find like a proper justifiable reason to actually get a tablet, and that's what we're gonna be looking at today instead of the usual features, because if you want to do that, like check out the S Pen, how good the display is, the battery life, you can already check this out on the review on our website, Unported.net. But specifically today, we're gonna look at using the Samsung Galaxy Tab S10 Plus as a second monitor. So without further ado, let's go. Now, to start things off, let's bring down the quick settings. So all you have to do is just scroll down from the top right. You should bring down the quick settings. So go to where all your, your Wi-Fi, your sound, your power saving, your DeX, all those settings comes up, and look for second screen. And when you have second screen there, just press that. Yep. It should bring you to the second screen menu. Yep. So from here, all you need to do is open up the second screen software on your Windows PC, which you should be able to install it. But if you don't have it, you can just download it from Microsoft Store. Now on your PC, the second screen software should look like this. So from there, all you need to do is just make sure it's searching for nearby tablets, which it should be doing automatically. But if not, you can just press a button. It should pop up basically where you see the searching for nearby tablets. When you're on the second screen menu on the tablet itself, it should appear in the second screen app on your PC. As you can see from here, it's listed as Aiman's Tab S10 Plus. But what should pop up here is basically what you need in your tablet. So just keep that in mind. This should be how it looks like at this point. When all that is done and it's actually already connected, you should be able to use it as a full-fledged monitor right here. So yeah, just to show, yeah, it does work. Probably no problems right there. Now, keep in mind that sometimes, from what I noticed on the Samsung, the second screen software on the PC, sometimes it shows that it's still connecting, but the tablet's already connected. So don't worry too much about it. As long as you can see the Windows screen on the tablet itself, it should work perfectly fine. I wouldn't actually game on it. Just keep that in mind. Just use it as something just to help you reference as you're working on your main monitor. But if you're really that desperate and you don't have a working monitor, this is an easy solution to rely on. So yeah, if you ever need an extra monitor and your tablet's collecting dust, especially if you're using a Samsung Galaxy Tab S10 Plus or any of the other Tab S10 series tablets, yeah, you have this as an option. To my knowledge, it should work with other Samsung tablets as well, like the older ones. But yeah, in case you're looking for a reason to get a tablet but you're not too sure if you're going to be using it enough, yeah, this is perfectly fine. Just keep in mind that if you are running into issues like connecting the tablet as a second screen, more likely than not is because you're not on the same Wi-Fi. So make sure the tablet and your PC is on the same Wi-Fi. But I also must make note, my PC is actually on a LAN cable. It is connected to the same internet, which is still the same router. So the router to my PC, and the tablet itself is on my 5 GHz Wi-Fi, and it works perfectly fine. No issues whatsoever. So yeah, just keep that in mind. It must be in the same connection if you're having issues. And to my knowledge, at least, it should not have any issues detecting the tablet itself. So if it does and it's already in the same Wi-Fi connection, you might need to bring the tablet a little bit closer to your PC. So just give that a try. So yeah, I think that's all for this video then. And well, for more helpful tips, just stay tuned to our channel. So I'll see you guys again next time. Bye bye.